Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert text to outline in InDesign. Let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document. Now I'm already open my document. Then firstly, select the text box and select the all text. Go to the type menu and go to the type menu and click create outline. Then go to the layer option. Firstly go to the window and click layers. Then click OK. And see, the text will now be vector shape instead of a text object. Then you can zoom. Here are the in the text outline. Now you can see convert text to outlines in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.